Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Low Carb Recipes with Ron, and I'm Ron. Well, today on Low Carb Recipes with Ron, we're going to be making some almond floured blueberry muffins, and these are fine for keto or low carb. What you need for this is 2.5 cups of almond flour, half a cup of granulated swerve, the, the grainy kind, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, not baking powder, a fourth of a teaspoon of kosher salt, 3 large eggs at room temperature beaten, 2 ounces of unsweetened Greek yogurt. Now, I didn't happen to have any Greek yogurt on hand, but I replaced it with sour cream. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of fresh blueberries. Once you get all the ingredients all together in your bowl, I ended up sifting my almond flour, by the way, and mix everything all together, incorporate it to some type of a batter paste, and then I ended up folding my blueberries in, and then I sprayed my muffin cups with the little bit of cooking oil spray, and then I popped them into a 350-degree oven for approximately 18 to 20 minutes. And keep an eye on them because almond flour does burn if you leave it in there too long. And these came out really great. You can put them with a little bit of butter on them inside, or enjoy it with your favorite beverage in the morning or any time of day for a snack. They freeze well. And I got this recipe idea from Low Carb Recipes over there with Jennifer, and I'll have the link in below to show more. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy your day. And be watching for another amazing video.